Hey guys, we're here with an Evergo original copy. This is my first Evergo original copy that's not a banana fan, and I'm excited. It's got kind of a weird skeletal motor in there. It's model E8C, E8. I know there's been some banana fans labeled model E8. I'm not sure if the C suffix is the same. It's got the 3-speed knob, pull chain, and the rocker style reverse switch. It's rated at 0.8 or 0.9 amps. The tag is faded and hard to read, but it looks like 0.8 or 0.9 amps. We tested it briefly before in a different video, and it looked like it was drawing a lot more current than that, but we don't know if anything's wrong with it or not, so we'll do a full test video, and then I'll check the caps and stuff later on and see. So, you want to move your hands, Abby? She filmed the last video, and now this one she's going to operate the controls. But I've got the high speed control over here. It's set to low right now. It's drawing 1.41 on low.
I'm going to get down so my hair doesn't get caught.
We don't want your hair to get caught. It looks like an appropriate low speed. So maybe nothing's wrong with it. Oh yeah, we got Andy and Metal Pete here too. What'd you say, Abby?
You can put the low from there. I didn't see that switch.
Oh, I'm just turning it. It's just an on-off switch, and I've got a bunch of other switches.
Oh, okay.
It's wobbling a little bit there.
Oh.
It'll straighten out.
No.
No, it's just out of balance. It'll go away though. Okay, Abby, you want to turn that knob on it just once. It's gonna click. I'm not sure which way, so just try it both ways and see which way turns. You don't want to break it. Did it turn?
Yep.
Now it's drawing 1.25. You sure it only clicked once?
Yeah, it only clicked once.
So it's going faster and drawing less current. We got a buzzing noise now too. I didn't notice before.
Oh yeah.
Is that bearings? That sounds like dry bearings. Gotta see it went away. Click it one more time. Now that's high. High is drawing 1.2 amps and going noticeably faster. So that's kind of peculiar. But the speeds are about what you would expect. This is about what you'd expect for a high speed. So I'm going to go back here, see what I can get an airflow reading. Oh, I forgot to turn this blender fan off back here, so that's going to mess with my reading. Evergo original copies are rarely that fast. That gives a little bit of a breeze back here, but not much of one. The 1886 we just tested was a lot stronger. Okay, Abby, you want to pull the chain?
Okay.
Now you can click the rocker switch, the other switch. Just
Click it.
Yep.
Yeah, you got it.
Now turn the dial all the way back to where we started. So it's going to be 2 clicks the other direction. Did it?
Okay, I turned it twice.
Good. Now we're just going to wait for it to stop. So far, what's more fun, operating the camera or operating the fan?
I would say both.
Good answer.
It's almost done stopping.
It's taken a while, actually.
Well, so the bearings aren't so bad. They
No. Noisy doesn't always mean stiff, you know.
No.
This is interesting. It looks quite a bit like an original. The blade tips are different than an original would have. As far as I can't think of an original. Wait, are there originals with pointed tips? I'm now blanking.
I don't know because I don't.
Most of them have flat tips, I think.
Right.
I can't remember if there's ever been one with pointed tips. I've
never
seen wing
seen
tips. But there have been some with similar blade brackets to this. Just the 2 bars in the center are different. I think the switch housing is one more step, as Andy pointed out. Canopy is a slightly different shape, but it's all in all a pretty spot-on copy.
Let it go. Keep going.
When it stops, you'll pull the chain.
Okay.
Wait for it to stop, though.
Give it a second.
Okay, now it's good. Low reverse, drawing 1.09.
I can hear it go buzzing noise.
Yeah? So far, which one do you like better, Abby? This one or the last fan?
I think the last one.
Yeah, that 1886. That's what that's called. That's pretty cool. It was a lot fancier.
Yeah.
And it blew more breeze.
It did blow more breeze. Now you want to turn the dial just one click?
I think I might have did it twice. Did I do it twice?
I don't know. Go see if you can go one further.
I turned it back. Okay, now I did once because I turned it back once.
Okay, it's 0.94 now for medium. Uh-oh.
What was
It's
that?
metal, it's metal Pete o'clock. I can't remember if I said earlier in the video, do we all know that Andy and Metal Pete are here too?
I think you
Oh,
said
yeah.
that already.
I
Yeah,
probably
I thought
did.
you did. I remember you panning.
Yeah. Okay, you want to click it one more time?
One more?
He's Metal Pete, even though I'm the one who did this.
That's true. Oh, you gotta do it on camera, so otherwise you're saying
yeah.
this.
Yeah, I clicked it too because it won't go anymore.
Okay, it's definitely slower in reverse. It's drawing 0.89 in high reverse, and definitely quite a bit slower. Now I'm going to turn it off over here, Abby, and all I want you to do is click that one rocker switch on the other side.
Right when it stops?
No, you can do it now. It's fine. And I'm going to try to make it stop faster by messing with this stuff over here. Almost, not quite. Metal Pete, do you want to run the controls, or are you?
Sure, I can do
Nope. We do one at a time.
one at a
We
time.
do one, and then we see what number we get there, and when we get to 10, we can go to 11. But we'll show you how to go to 11. Just do one.
Please go to 11.
Great movie.
Point four.
0.04, and it's not moving yet. So then do it again.
Up to 3 or up to...
2 is next. She's on 1. Still not moving. Do it again. It start moving?
Yeah, it's barely moving.
Oh, let's see if it keeps going. Just leave it there for a little bit. Let's see if it stops or if it keeps going.
Yeah, sometimes they stall out.
I was going to tell you in the last video, then we got sidetracked. Most fans, if they'll start on their own, they won't stall out, but Evergos are notorious for starting out, and ironically, this is an Evergo.
It keeps going from 15 to 14.
Yeah.
Yeah, it flops.
It
back.
can't make up its mind.
Yeah, digital ones are like...
So what number is the dial on? It's on 3.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it looks like that's going to be 3. So then
Can I
turn.
try 2 one more time?
It's going to stop, but you can try it.
It's slowing down, and it's stalled out.
Yep. We'll try 3. You can go to 4 now since we already tried 3.
That's a 4.
0.2.
Still going pretty slow, huh?
2? I thought it was 0.20.
Well,
You can say 0.20. That's fine.
well
it's
yeah, when I
technically
see a
0.2.
0 there, I just cut that number off. 0.2. But when you have another number,
Okay.
it's going a little bit faster, but
You want to
still.
try 5?
Okay, we're at 0.26.
Okay. You can keep going, do all the numbers. Once it gets to like past 5, I tend to go a little faster, and sometimes I skip
Meaning I
some numbers.
skip numbers.
Yeah. Okay, that's 6. 7 is 0.38.
That's
8, 0.43.
4, 4.
Oh, 4. Well, sometimes it changes.
yeah, it flops back and forth.
It's staying on 4, 4.
Well, aren't we the smart, always right person? You can keep going.
Okay, you're at 0.5.
That's at 9.
Yeah.
That's 10. 10 is 0.55. Now, Pete, you want to show her how to get 11?
Okay, first we go back to 1, and we flip the switch on that says 10. That's adding 10 microfarads.
See, it says plus 10. So now it's 1 plus 10 equals what? What's 1 plus 10?
11.
Okay, so now we're 11. So when we do this 2, it's 2 plus 10. What's that? What's 2?
12.
Right, so now it's all these numbers plus 10. So now when you turn it one more, what's it on now?
12.
That's 0.6. Turn it again.
6.
That you're on 13.
6, 5. 14 is 7. .7.
All the way back. We're going to turn this one off, and we're going to add 20 right here. This is 20 alone.
So what's 20 plus 1?
21.
Yep. Well, you're at exactly 1 microfarad.
1 amp.
Or 1 amp.
Yeah. 2, 1.04. Sorry, 22. Let me know when you turn it to 23.
23.
1.06. Turn it.
24.
1.08.
25.
111.
26.
113.
27.
115.
What's the amp rating?
I think I think the high rating was 1.2. Just hit it high real quick. Let's see. Yep, 1.2. So we don't want it. 1.21. We don't want to go higher than 1.21.
28.
Yep.
Yep.
29.
9. And that's
30.
30 is 1.19. So how can we get turn that back to 0?
back to 0.
And then if we add 10 and 20 together, what do we get?
30.
So then now that's 31, right? Because we got 1. Oh wait, no, too high. Go back it down a little bit. See, Pete was right. We did hit a resonant frequency. Down 1 more. Down again. Down again. What number is it now? 35. 35 is as high as we can go. Okay, now turn all of them off.
All the way. Yep.
Now Metal Pete's going to show you how to switch it to the dial.
Okay. Then we go from capacitor to
What is capacitor?
Capacitor is what's inside that box with the dial, with the dial on
what
it.
you just ran, this thing.
All these numbers stand for different numbers of capacitor. This is a 1 microfarad capacitor, and it's a 2 and a 3. They measure capacitors in microfarads. I know that's kind of complicated.
Yeah.
So I left this one up?
We're done with that. It doesn't do
We
anything
flipped
anymore.
it and we switched it off here. Now it's on what's called the solid state.
I like to just kind of tweak it just to get it.
Okay, keep it to...
0.
It's not going to go to 0, sweetie. So what you're going to do when we're going to wait for the... I'll stop the fan by hand.
Yeah, stop it.
So what you're going to do is
Keep it on low.
as slow as you can, turn that dial up, but watch the fan, and then stop when the fan starts spinning.
Keep going. Nope, other way.
I don't know why my shot is green all of a sudden. It does that sometimes. Still green. Oh, there we go. What are we at?
29.
29. I'm going to see if we can be a little bit more sensitive than 29. I'm going to go back to like 25 and I'll stop it. Okay.
It's a little.
Oh, it's going.
Yeah. 20. Do you remember what number it was on
When we started,
with the capacitors when we started?
it was on 5.
Okay, so now we're at point 12. I'm just going to
14, 15,
Real.
16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21.
So it starts at 21. Okay. Now turn it until it faces about 2 o'clock, Abby. Maybe like
I don't know if she can see that.